What's up, everybody? Today we're going to go out to Portobelo Ridge Trail. This one's located in Mission Trails Regional Park in San Diego, California. In total, this was 1.49 miles with 315 feet of elevation gain, and it took about 29 minutes round trip to complete. Keep in mind when you are going to this trail, the parking is located in a residential neighborhood. So as you get in and out of your vehicle, make sure that you are respectful to the people that are around you. Remember, they live there, they hear people coming all the time. So we just want to do our best to pack up after ourselves and just, not be too loud and an annoyance to them. While they did move there and should have known that there was a trailhead at the end of their street, we also just want to be respectful as well. Speaking of the trail entrance, it is at the end of the street. Once you go to the end of the street, you hop over the guardrail. You'll start seeing the signs pretty quickly for the trail. You're just going to go ahead and continue straight down the path until eventually we'll make a left-hand turn, and that will bring us back around for our loop. You will finish coming up the fire road, which is a decently steep incline. It's very well groomed, so it's not too bad, but something to keep in mind. While on this trail though, at the very beginning it can be very rocky, so make sure that you're wearing proper footwear to support your ankles. I know for me, I trip all the time, so it's important for me to have my high ankle boots on. And just something to keep in mind, it's not like a gravel rock. There are some thick rock sections that you're walking over, and it can be a little bit uncomfortable on the footing. While not difficult, uncomfortable. Overall, this was a pretty easy trail. I enjoyed it. I went during sunset, and so I was able to kind of catch the sunset as I was going around. You're pretty high elevated, so you get to see everything in its surroundings. I mean, some of it's the regional park, others of it is neighborhoods, but with a beautiful sky, you can't go wrong. If you like these recaps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below so I know that you like what I'm doing. Keep in mind that this is the trail recap. If you're looking for an extended cut that's got all the footage from the trail for research or treadmill purposes, you'll be able to find that in the description below. All right, guys, I think it's time to go to the trail.
got you most of the way. Gonna finish going up this hill, be back where I started. Go out, enjoy, listen to your surroundings, and venture. Have a great day. Peace.